On our way again, left Twizel heading towards Oamaru. So quite often we see these huge sprinkler systems that stretch off into the distance. Cows there and a long road to Oamaru. Here's our path alongside Lake Benmore. Got some steep rocky bits to go up just at the end of Lake Benmore. Little New Zealand batch down by the lake. Steep narrow trail, still going up. Steep and windy, going down this time. Too steep to film while I'm riding. We're exhausted. Path seems to go up and up and up, but at last we can see Benmore Dam. Right, travelling from Gruelling to Duntroon, long straight road. There we go, I still exist. And there's the road behind. Interesting sort of clay sandstone cliffs here. Lots of birds up in there. A little bit further along, let's say there's some Maori prehistoric drawings. So the ancient Maoris used to stop at these cliffs when travelling past. They had good overhangs for sleeping under, keeping out of the weather. So when talking ancient, we're not actually talking ancient. They say these are 19th century, so that's what they look like. If you look up here, you can see the charcoal drawings on the sandstone. This is Duntroon. Duntroon's got all sorts of interesting little places in it.